Hello everyone! Today I'm working on a commission. It's a little peanut Jellycat, which is so cute. This guy is going to someone who's doing a Secret Santa, which is such a unique gift. I love it. So here I am sculpting the body, and I smoothed everything out so then it got the peanut shape. A lot of people ask me how I sculpt, and it's literally just like this. No magnifying glass, no nothing. Here's me putting on the little peanut pattern. Then I made his little legs and added those onto the bottom, which was very hard because I had to try not to squish the pattern that I put on him. Here they are, one on each side. And then I put on that cute little Jellycat face right in the middle. It's like I had a grid to tell where each eye and mouth went. It was very nice. And here he is. After he cooled down from being baked, I moved on to glazing, and he needed a pretty thick layer since he was going to be a keychain, so here's the very first layer going on. Right now he's being glazed, so he's hanging on this paper clip, but I think he turned out super cute. After he dried, I had to get Akira's opinion, of course, so here's what he had to say. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this short little video, make sure to give me a like and subscribe if you want to see more things just like this. Thank you for watching. Bye!